Welcome back. Joining me now is Javier, and he is here to share a free HealthSpan event being hosted at UT Tyler. Well, thank you so much for being on today. Tell us a little bit about this event.
So HealthSpan is an aging and longevity well-being event. It kind of references whereas lifespan is about your length of life, HealthSpan is about the period of life lived healthy without chronic disease. So we're looking at how to improve the quality of life, how to age well. We'll have events going on, panelists, the keynote speaker, games, and essentially we're inviting the community to come and hear about ways that they can improve the quality of their life as they age and want to live longer.
All right. Well, why is it so critical to prioritize these conversations around longevity and health span right now?
Well, if you think about it, oftentimes we don't look at these things until we start to experience some challenges in our life. So it's always better as you're aging to think ahead and look at ways in which you can make changes that will impact your longevity maybe 10, 15, 20 years down the road. So I think it's important to be informed of what small changes we can make in our lives that will have great impact as we age, especially if we want to age, to have a healthy elder. You know, we want to be healthy when we're older.
Yes, we do. Can you tell us where this event is going to be held at?
Yes, it's going to be at Oak Crossing Center in White House. It's 10 to 2 on Thursday, July 2nd.
All right, and what is going to be offered at this event?
One of the interesting things is there's going to be a dementia lab. So it's a VR experience that those that choose to participate are going to experience how disorienting it is to have dementia or to experience Alzheimer's, help them better understand, maybe be more empathetic.
Wow, that is incredible. And you said it's all through VR. And so that's one of the things at the event. You mentioned there's also going to be games, so it's kind of like a family-friendly kind of event?
Yes, there'll be a keynote speaker, a panel talking on subjects anywhere from nutrition to relationship, and there'll be interactive games that will help the community or those participants be more informed about what opportunities there are for healthy living.
Wow, so someone that is maybe on the fence about going to this event or maybe not going to this event, what would you say to them to kind of make them that final decision?
I would say it's free. There'll be food. There'll be a lot of vendors and there'll be a lot of opportunity to learn about things that could impact their quality of life.
Now, what other services are going to be offered at the event?
Besides that, we'll have the dementia clinic, we'll have the speakers, the vendors will be providing information about resources that are provided in the region, and that's pretty much it.
And how long have you been doing these kind of events?
This is the second year that we're doing this event. Now, we had a great turnout last year, a lot of good feedback about the speakers that we had engaged, and so we hope that more of the community chooses to come out and have a similar experience.
Now, you said you had a great turnout last year. Are you expecting the same or maybe even a little bit bigger of a turnout?
We're hoping for a bigger turnout this year.
Yes. So is there anything else you want to let people know about this event or anything else?
I would say if you are at all interested in about quality of life, not simply about your lifespan, but living that lifespan healthier, enjoying your life more, this is an opportunity to get information, find resources here in our community that will help you live a happier and healthier life.
That's amazing. And is there anything else, like as far as where they can go for all this information?
Yes, you could reach out to one of our members in marketing, elizabeth.wingfield@uttyler.edu. And we hope to have a website up and running pretty soon, so if they do a search and Age Well, they should find some information there as well.
All right, well, thank you so much for being on the show today to share about this event that is coming to East Texas here. And if you want more information, you can go right there to the website on your screen. Well, coming up, the Toy Story franchise returns tomorrow with their 5th installment. We'll get a preview and what the reviews are saying in our entertainment report.